wise man once said, "Let there be light." I'm not 100% sure who said that. I want to say it was Steve Buscemi. I don't know. Today we're unboxing 2 lighting products from Kasa. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today I'm unboxing the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer Switch and the Kasa Smart LED Light Strip. Both products are amazing tools to feature around any modern smart home. They can be remote activated using the Kasa Smart app or using vocal commands. Now, the Smart Dimmer offers a lot in terms of functionality. The Light Strip also has a lot of fun features and visual flavor. If you've been looking for a way to fancy up your home with a splash of color or make your routine easier and save on your electric bills, these products may be for you. The real question is, which one do I unbox first? All right, let's start off with the Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer Switch. Okay, so this looks like it's the dimmer switch. So let's do the peel moment here. Nice. And then this is the wall cover. Peel moment. Nice. Now here we have some of these screws that you're going to need to set this up. These are wire labels, and this is your quick start guide. Okay, so that's everything that comes in this box, so let's move on to the larger box. Wow, this is interesting. Okay, here's the LED light strip. It's pretty cool. This is the instructions to download the Kasa app. Here we have your AC adapter. This is your on-off switch. These are some mounting stickers. That's everything that comes in that box, you guys. So that was the unboxing process. Now let's talk about these unique items. We haven't actually unboxed products quite like this before on this show, so I'm excited to get into them. Okay, let's get into some details. Now, the Smart Dimmer Light Switch has tons of amazing features that will make your life so much easier. The dimmer adjusts the light levels between 1 to 100%, which can be adjusted manually, by schedule, or several other smart features. The advanced motion detection means that you can walk around any room of your house and never have to worry about fumbling to find a light switch. The daylight detection can save you tons on your electric bills by preventing any light from turning on while there's already light in the room. You can also set a custom away mode to either keep your lights off or improve security by timing your lights to give the impression that someone is home. To give you even more functionality, you can control this and many other features simply by using voice controls or the Kasa app. And speaking of adjusting through voice controls or the Kasa app, guess which other product is adjustable through voice control or the Kasa app? You're correct! The answer, of course, is Steve Buscemi! And I guess the Kasa Smart LED Light Strip. Okay, so we have the lights turned on and it's been so fun to watch it cycle through all of these fun, vibrant colors. I love these, and I also love that they are 16.4 feet in length, which if you use the metric system is approximately 5 meters, or if you use the Devin system, it's approximately 3.17 Devin Howards. It features over 16 million vibrant colors and can be set to a single tone or a whole array of fun colors and lighting effects like we have here. Even on a single strip, there are up to 50 individual color zones that allow for some very fun setups. Check out some of the fun lighting setups we were able to make with a single strip here in studio. And unlike some lighting strips, these can be cut to your specifications. So even if there's a small space that needs a boost of light, you can make it work. They can last up to 25,000 hours, or if you use the metric system, 25,000 hours. Pip pip cheerio there, mate. And just like the dimmer, the strip lights can function on schedules, adjust brightness with ease, and can be controlled remotely using the Kasa app. Kasa Smart Homes have gotten some rave reviews from our staff, and picking up a few of these great and affordable products can add a lot of personality to your living space. If you want to pick up either of these Kasa products for yourself, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.